Slang in action, making it real in conversations. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into practicing slang and colloquialisms in context. It's one thing to know slang, but it's a whole other game to use it right. Let's get started. You might have a dictionary full of slang, but without context, it's like having a car without fuel. Context is the situation in which a word is used, and it can completely change the meaning of that word. Imagine someone saying, "That's sick." If you're at a hospital, this phrase might worry you. But at a skate park, it's probably a compliment. That's the power of context. 1. Watch TV shows and movies. Modern shows, especially those targeted at younger audiences, are rich with slang. Pay attention, jot down unfamiliar words, and try to guess their meanings from the context. 2. Write dialogues. Challenge yourself to write short dialogues using the slang words you've learned. Share them with a study buddy or teacher and get feedback. 3. Role play. Create scenarios where you and a partner can use slang naturally. For example, act out ordering at a fast food joint or chatting about a popular song. Using slang incorrectly can lead to awkward or even embarrassing situations. Here are a few common mistakes. 1. Overuse. Don't overload your sentences with slang. It can make you sound inauthentic. 2. Outdated slang. Slang evolves rapidly. Saying something like, "groovy," today might get a few chuckles unless you're intentionally being retro. 3. Mismatched context. As mentioned earlier, ensure the slang matches the situation. Saying, "lit," at a funeral? Probably not the best choice. There are several language learning apps that offer sections dedicated to slang and colloquialisms. They often present them in context, allowing for more immersive learning. Try finding quizzes or games that challenge you to match slang terms with their meanings or appropriate contexts. Alright, that's a wrap on slang in context. Remember, slang can be fun and can make you sound more natural, but always be mindful of when and how you use it. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in weaving slang into your English conversations. Catch you in the next one.